How long? How long will you keep me waiting on the promises that you made with me? Wasn't it you who said always is there space nestled within the spaces of your breast at the left where your blood rushes to your chest? So how long? How long shall I wait reflected in the blank stares of your eyes that can't see me? How long? Because patiently I stand awaiting your call, a whisper, some sort of notice that you have noticed that I have not. Do you fear me, my child? Do you think of me like bad memories, hoping that I fade as you make me into a routine, not changing, just chains? You're stuck like a pin to the past. So, how long? Tell me, how long will this last? How long will you keep shut those double doors and those boarded up windows? How long will you block out my light as you sit in the comfort out of my sight? Does the darkness hold you in such a tight embrace? Does the darkness perpetuate this behavior and silencing me that you have initiated? When will you let go and leave that place? When would you let go? See, I have called so many times before, but you have ignored me. I guess my voice was too soft under the loudspeaker. Now that enemy, that frenemy, the malignant thoughts that you say I am not good enough. Well, you still masquerade like a stuffed puppet to your inner being. Your ego must be a saint for him or her to hold so much of your time. Maybe then, now's the time, right? So patiently I will wait because I know you wish not to be in this state of disillusion, contentment. So open up. You will be surprised at the price that awaits. Don't be late. I wish only to sit, not to be entertained, but to meditate and work out the doubts that cover your face. So make haste to let us reunite. You say I am your Christ, so for my sake, be willing to intake this new way that you have pushed far away. Be willing to intake the spiritual gifts, this moment of shift. Be willing because it is with you where I want to stay. So I say, how long shall I continue to wait? How long are you going to continue to keep away? How long until you realize that you can accept this loving embrace, my child?